higher boiling point. Okokuqala, you have to check the intermolecular forces. If intermolecular forces kuzo zoyi-2 ziyafana, then sitsho sijonge i-molar mass, but siqala nge-intermolecular forces. For example, let's look at this compound. This compound, i-Lewis diagram yayo singayizoba kanje. Lewis diagram. Okay, then this compound, Lewis diagram yayo singayizoba kanje. Okay, so funeka sijonge ke ngoku i-intermolecular forces, but before sisijonge funeka sijonge i-polarity ke ngoku ye-molecule. So this molecule, polar, this molecule is polar. This is a polar molecule because i-electronegativity ka-oxygen inkulu kuneka-hydrogen, meaning that elicala is partial positive, elicala is partial negative. It has 2 poles. So this is a polar molecule. Meaning that intermolecular forces phaa dipole, dipole. So ngenxa yoba ke ngoku kukho u-hydrogen obonde no-oxygen, sitsho sithi ke ngoku it's hydrogen bonding. Hydrogen bonding. So in a special dipole esiyibiza ngoba hydrogen bonding. Hydrogen bonding ke hydrogen ubonde no-oxygen, okanye hydrogen ubonde no-fluorine, okanye hydrogen ubonde no-nitrogen. So sizifumane ke ngoku-intermolecular forces zika-water. HCl. HCl, this the chlorine has higher electronegativity, which means elicala li-partial negative, elicala li-partially positive, which means this one is a polar molecule also, polar molecule. This is a polar molecule, meaning that in a dipole forces. But ayinayo special dipole esisibiza ngoba ngu-hydrogen bond, because u-hydrogen akabondanga ku-oxygen, ku-nitrogen or ku-fluorine. Okay, so ithethe ukuthi ke ngoku apha i-water ine-hydrogen bond which are stronger than i-dipole forces. So i-water ine-hydrogen bond, hydrogen bonding, which are stronger than dipole forces, meaning that water in a stronger intermolecular forces, meaning that more energy will be needed to overcome intermolecular forces of water. Therefore, H2O will have the higher boiling point than HCl. So i-answer yethu besiyifumene ke ngoku. Remember, include energy, more energy is needed to overcome the hydrogen bond as compared to dipole. Therefore, water will have the higher boiling point than HCl.